The finishing section, in actual fact, I worked there for 2 days.
In the finishing section.
Finishing section. They hang all the finishing product there. So I have to check inside the jacket. There is a paper there like this, just like an invoice. I don't know how they just use their character to write on it. Yeah. The essence of doing that is to know if that person in charge really check those things before they pack it for the final delivery. So I was checking it. It was on the left side of the jacket. It got into a stage I didn't see it on the left one. I just want to put it back. Something just came to my mind. Let me check the other side. I decided to check the other side. I got it there. Wow. Meaning that if I've just packed that, I've checked it the left side and I didn't get it, it means that I did not do the work very well. So it's just like a test. So I have to run that throughout the day. After that, I took it to the place where they will pack it. That this thing is going to the Germany. The specification of each country is different with what they will make there, with what they will produce for them. If you say this is what you want, that is the specification you are going to be given. The one that they are taking to the other places is quite different from that. It all depends on the specification. So
you were taken through the rudiments.
Yes.
From design to the final finished product. And you were trained on procurement and accounting.
As well as accounting.
And I'm sure you must have also been trained about inventorizing.
Everything.
How to conduct your